In front of you stands an enemy tank. You fire a GR-HL-39 8.8 centimeters shaped charge at it. This shaped charge consists of the following components: a nose fuse, a hollow aluminum tube, a metal liner, a heat-sensitive detonator, explosive charge, casing, and a tracer. When the shaped charge hits the tank, the nose fuse is triggered, and the resulting detonation wave travels through the hollow tube to ignite the heat-sensitive detonator at the base, which then sets off the explosive charge, creating the Monroe effect with the metal liner, producing a high-velocity metal jet that penetrates the enemy tank's armor. Another enemy tank then appears. Its armor is noticeably thicker. You fire another GR-HL-39 8.8 centimeters shaped charge at it. Since it's fired from a rifled gun, the shell spins at high speed. This spin causes the jet to twist, break, and scatter during flight, drastically reducing its penetration depth, and ultimately fails to penetrate the tank's armor. The enemy tank fires an Obus G-shaped charge at you. This projectile has an inner and outer assembly. The internal section consists of a piezoelectric fuse, shaped charge liner, explosive, electric detonator, casing, and base cap. The outer section includes a casing, driving band, base cap, and tracer. The two sections are connected by ball bearings at the ends. While the outer section spins rapidly due to rifling, the inner section rotates slowly. Upon impact, the fuse deforms, compressing the crystal and generating an electric charge, which travels to the electric detonator, triggering the explosive, producing a metal jet that pierces your tank's armor. You quickly escape from the burning tank. You then board a new tank and advance toward the enemy. After taking aim, you fire an M409 multi-purpose shaped charge. This round features a piezoelectric fuse, an offset spin-compensating liner, electric detonator, casing, and a tracer. When it hits the enemy armor, the piezoelectric fuse ignites the explosive. Each segment of the shaped charge liner is slightly misaligned, creating a metal jet that counters the spin direction, thus reducing the negative effects of rotation. The resulting jet penetrates the enemy tank's armor. You move forward once more. Unbeknownst to you, another enemy tank has secretly locked onto you. It fires a BK-14M shaped charge at you. This shell includes the following components: a casing, piezoelectric fuse, long rod tip, shaped charge liner, explosive, booster, and stabilizing fins. When the shell hits your tank, the piezoelectric fuse sets off the booster, which then detonates the main charge, creating a metal jet that breaches your tank's armor. You quickly crawl out of the wrecked vehicle. You then take command of another tank and attack again. You aim at the enemy and fire a DM-12 shaped charge. This round is composed of a piezoelectric fuse, shaped charge liner, explosive blast barrier, electric detonator, casing, tail tube, and fins. However, the enemy's tank is equipped with explosive reactive armor, ERA. When the jet hits the ERA, it detonates the explosive layer, propelling the armor plates outward. These moving plates continuously collide with the jet, deflecting and bending it from its intended path, reducing both its speed and effective cross-section, thus significantly weakening its penetration capability. Your shaped charge fails to penetrate the enemy tank. The enemy tank spots you and returns fire with a shaped charge. Fortunately, your tank is fitted with ceramic composite armor. This armor consists of steel plates, elastic buffers, air gaps, ceramic layers, and the main hull armor. The jet first impacts the outer steel plate, reducing its penetration force. Then it hits the ceramic layer, which has 10 times the strength of steel under high temperature, high-speed impacts. So the jet fails to penetrate. However, the explosion destroys your optical equipment. The enemy takes the chance and fires a BK-31 tandem charge shaped charge at you. This warhead contains 3 shaped charges. The first charge penetrates the front steel plate. The second pierces the ceramic. And the third defeats the tank's main armor. Your tank is destroyed. You crawl out in haste. Once again, you climb into a new tank and push forward. You target the enemy and fire an M830A1 shaped charge. It consists of a combined fuse, shaped charge liner, explosive, booster, casing, tail section, fins, and a sabot. The sabot separates from the projectile mid-flight. However, due to its small liner diameter, the penetration is insufficient to breach the enemy tank. Luckily, you're at a considerable distance. The enemy's return fire lacks the accuracy to hit you from that range. Before you can celebrate, the enemy tank launches a 9M119M gun launch missile. It comprises a primary warhead, control fins, rocket motor, nozzle, a secondary warhead, booster, laser decoder, and stabilizing fins. The rocket propels the missile forward. Its laser decoder receives tank guidance and adjusts fin angles accordingly. This steers the missile in flight. After traveling 4,000 meters, the missile hits and destroys your tank. The enemy tank advances after eliminating you. Unaware, a soldier inside a building aims a rocket-propelled grenade at it.